Writing the perfect prompt isn't easy. One wrong word, and your video doesn't turn out the way you imagined. But with Filmora 15.4, there's a smarter way. Introducing Image to Prompt, a powerful feature inside Image to Video that creates prompts for you from an image. Writing a prompt is not as easy as it seems, especially with Image to Prompt. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Where to find Image to Prompt? To get started, launch Filmora, then go to the stock media and select AI Media, and then open Image to Video. Now, upload your image, and then on the right side of the prompt box, you will get an option of Image to Prompt. How Image to Prompt works. Filmora analyzes your image, understanding the scene, lighting, style, and mood, and automatically generates a detailed, ready-to-use prompt. Why Image to Prompt matters. Instead of guessing what to write, you get a structured, optimized prompt instantly. No trial and error, no confusion. Perfect for beginners. If you're new to AI video creation, this makes everything easier. You don't need to learn complex prompt writing. Filmora does it for you. Edit and customize prompt. And you're always in control. You can modify the generated prompt, add more details, or adjust it to match your creative vision. Generate video. Once you're ready, generate your video and watch your image transform into a cinematic video. Let's check out the preview. Example. Here is the comparison of the video. The left side is generated by a manual prompt, and the right one is generated by the AI Image to Prompt feature. You can see the difference in the video quality, all because of the well-structured prompt. Image to Prompt in Filmora 15.4, making prompt creation faster, easier, and smarter. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.